Good morning, Year 10. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. Please could you write the date and title, introducing Inspector Calls, and for your do now, I would like you to reread your notes from yesterday to recap what has happened so far in the play. So pause the video to do that now. Okay, so for your lesson today, what I'd like you to do is listen to the rest of the audiobook on YouTube. The link will be on class charts like it was yesterday. And insofar as you can, I'd also like you to follow along with your copy of the text. So please now go onto YouTube to listen to the rest of the audiobook. Okay, so some concluding thoughts. Two key questions I'd like you to consider. Firstly, who do you think the inspector really is? So you've got that ambiguous ending that leaves you wondering who he is. So I'd like you to write down your thoughts. Do you have a very clear idea? Do you have multiple ideas? Please write down what you think. And secondly, who do you think is the most to blame for Eva Smith's death? So which of the characters and why? Or do you think they're all equally to blame? So please do write down your position and really importantly, do write down your reasons as well. So please pause the video to do that now. Okay, and that brings us to the end of today's lesson. So I really hope you've enjoyed listening to Inspector Calls. It, you could argue, is a lot more interesting than Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, or maybe you prefer Jekyll and Hyde. I don't know. So but hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll be analysing it in more detail as of next week. So tomorrow we're going back to language. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll be speaking to you again tomorrow. So thank you and goodbye.